San Jose. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Good morning. Good morning po sa inyo lahat, and thank you so much for being here. This is my song, and I hope you guys like it.
Let's give her a big round of applause, everyone.
Let's go!
Nakapagkabi na ba tayong lahat?
Yeah.
Maybe you want to say a few messages to the press before we start?
Of course, nagpapasalamat po ako. Thank you so much for your time and for being here. It means a lot to me. This is actually my first time to release a song independently. I wrote this song years ago. That's why it's very special to my heart kasi I felt like this is the right timing para i-release tong kantan to. With everything that's, happening around us, I think positivity is what we all need right now. So sending love and light to everybody. And, yeah.
Parang ito na talaga ang bagong simula.
Totoo yan.
Actually,
Actually,
you're not
siya-
releasing.
Oo, marami siyang meanings in different aspects of my life and our lives actually. And of course, to be able to relate to the people, I created a song that can resonate with kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay natin. Diba? Ayun po, kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa natin today. Yung mga pinagdadaanan. Even we have technical difficulties talaga naman. Can I just say, you look very dazzling today.
Thank you so much po.
Napakaganda naman talaga.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Ano ba, chika? I think sneak peek lang po.
Sneak peek lang po yan.
Ganahan ng ating press. Excited na excited.
Na-release lang po kasi ito last November 14.
Yes.
Ayun. So recently lang din po talaga. It's actually now out on Spotify at sa lahat po ng YouTube. Lahat po ng platforms, even on YouTube. Nag-release po kami ng lyric video. So, yeah.
Let's all welcome
Ayan.
once again, Julia
Ready?
San Jose.
Ready when you are? Ito na po ba yun? Ito na po ba yun?
Habang hindi pa natin talaga.
Good first time. Mag-usap po na kayo.
Julie, why don't you share some of your inspiration for your song?
Okay. Ayan, already na ba? O sige. Bago ko sagutin yan, kakanta muna ako.
And let's welcome.
Let's do this. Let's go. Here you go.
Pwede pa taas ko ng music.
Thank you po. I want everybody to be alive. Sinan ng araw at buwan, langit ay abot tanaw, isigaw sa kawalan, away na walang hanggan. Bigyan ang buhay ng sigla upang